हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम आरुषि कुलश्रेष्ठ। आई रियली होप आप जहाँ से भी ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं आप लोग सब सेफ होंगे, इंडोर्स होंगे और सबका अच्छे से ध्यान रख रहे होंगे। सो इफ़ यू आर ऑल्सो प्लानिंग स्टडीज अब्रॉड एंड अ लॉट ऑफ यू आस्क्ड मी व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अमेरिकन एंड यूके's universities, so this video is primarily about that. I was accepted by more than 20 universities in both of these countries. तो ये जो वीडियो है it's a quick preview on the processes of these two countries. So let's get started quickly. USA, first point which comes obviously is apply करना. That's your point number one, right? उसके बिना कैसे start होगा? US के केस में applications are more expensive, they are more time consuming and more difficult, if I can say that. An example of this is that US में आप आराम से budget लेके चलो 50 to 60,000 rupees you will be spending on your applications alone. सिर्फ application भरने का charge every American university charges you and there are absolutely no exceptions to this. So I mean the application fee ranges in between $60 to $120. इतने पैसे आपके for every university they go. So at the end you will definitely be spending 50 से 60,000 रुपए बहुत आराम से on applying. In the case of UK there is no application fee. एक आध यूनिवर्सिटी होती है जो चार्ज करती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैनचेस्टर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मैनचेस्टर इट चार्ज मी £60 ऑन अ बिजनेस कोर्स एप्लीकेशन फी. दैट्स इट. अदर देन दैट ऑल माई एप्लीकेशंस टू यूके वर फ्री. और उस वही रीज़न है कि मेरे पास यूके की यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के ज़्यादा एक्सेप्टेंसेज हैं बिकॉज फ्री होने के कारण आई अप्लाई टू अ लॉट ऑफ देम. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आता है ईजनेस ऑफ डूइंग एप्लीकेशंस कि आपको कितना एफर्ट देना पड़ता है कौन सी कंट्री का. सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ यूएसए आई वुड से यूएस की यूनिवर्सिटीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होती हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू यूके. लाइक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस वुड बी कि जो लेटर्स ऑफ रिकमेंडेशंस होते हैं LORs आर अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ योर एप्लीकेशन. यूएसए के केस में दे वांट टू क्रॉस वेरीफाई कि आप उसको खुद अपलोड ना करो कुछ भी भर के साइन करके. सो दे आस्क कि आप सिर्फ एप्लीकेशन के टाइम आपके रिकमेंडर का email ID डाल दो एंड देन दे विल send an email to that person who is recommending you and only that person from their official email ID will be able to upload your LOR to the system of the university. Meanwhile in case of UK आप उसको खुद upload कर सकते हो like application भरते टाइम पे. So that way UK's universities they are a lot less time consuming in terms of efforts, a lot less cheaper and yeah, a lot simpler to do. Okay, so application process की बात हो गई. Talking about the selection rates. So on an average universities के cases में UK accepts more applicants than USA does. So to put it very simply there from my own experience I can say from all the people around जो मैंने देखे हैं UK में accept होना comparatively easier होता है. One of the reasons being like I was talking to a professor from University of Tennessee in America, so he told me that UK के intakes larger होते हैं. If a US university say takes 3,000 or 4,000 students, a counterpart UK university takes in more students every year. So they select more students and you are more likely to get into a UK's university as compared to an American university. But both of them, at the end it all depends on your profile, trust me. So we talked about a couple of things, but the most important one is money, right? पैसों की बात करें so UK's universities charge you less money. The reason being that their courses are only 1 year in time. So the tuition fee is comparatively cheaper by at least 10 to 15 lakh rupees. So an average UK university will cost you somewhere between 15 to 25 lakh rupees. 15 lakh for an average university like Aston, 25 lakh rupees for a very prestigious university like University of Leeds or University of Manchester. In case of America, US, you will definitely be paying something close to 30 to 35 or even 40 lakh rupees because the duration of the courses is 1.5 to 2 years. But another important thing here is that UK ka cost of living is much higher. Pound is roughly 100 rupees. 1 pound is equals to 100 and $1 is equals to hardly like 75 or 76. So you will be spending more money in living in UK as compared to America, but you will be spending more money on tuition in USA than UK. So what comes next after studies? Your visa rules, right? So visa rules की अगर बात करें in USA, if you go for a non-technical degree, they only give you 1 year unfortunately. If you go for a technical degree, which they call a STEM designated course, science, technology, engineering or mathematics, अगर आपका course STEM designated है, then you get 3 years. Beyond 3 years, it's a lottery system. So like completely depends on your luck. As of now, that's the rule. In terms of UK, you get 2 years of post study work visa, जो अभी 2020 में ही इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है. बिफोर 2020, प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट 2012 से लेके 2019 तक whoever graduated from UK didn't get a post study visa. They did not want immigration. Like their population density is a lot. They wanted to put a ban on immigration. So उसकी वजह से they did not allow any post study visas till 2019. 2020 onwards you get 2 years of post study work visa. उसके आगे आपका वीजा तब रिन्यू होगा जब आपकी सैलरी मिनिमम 30,000 पाउंड्स हो. दैट्स द रूल. So I mean we talked about a lot of parameters. One important parameter which is left is salaries. Salaries की बात करें, so USA has more companies, they've got more headquarters of the Fortune 500 companies. उसकी वजह से US has higher salaries. Masters के बाद वहाँ पे average salary is like very easily $60,000 to $70,000 in case of UK, as I just mentioned, because वहाँ पे industries कम है, population density ज़्यादा है. So unfortunately the average pay is hardly 20,000 to 30,000 pound in the beginning. This is just an average of course and it varies person to person, but yes, as a comparison में you can save more money in USA in the beginning as compared to UK. You will be earning lesser and you will be spending more because the currency is like expensive, pounds. जो सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट ध्यान में रखने वाली बात है वो ये है दैट बोथ ऑफ दीज कंट्रीज आर ग्रेट चॉइसेस. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर. आपको कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी का कोर्स करिकुलम अच्छा लग रहा है, आई वुड रियली सजेस्ट दैट इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू मेक योर डिसीजंस एंड नॉट एनीथिंग एल्स. Baki, if you have any questions, let me know. If you liked my video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. It would really mean a lot. I really need all of your love. Thank you so much.